guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the Tunisian Purl Stitch. We're going to have to start with a chain, then do a row of Tunisian simple single crochet, and then start with the purl stitch. For the first row, as I said, we need to do the Tunisian simple single crochet. You simply insert your hook into one of the chains and pull up a loop. You do that for every chain. For Tunisian, you always stay on one side. You're going to go one way and then you work your way back. So now I have all my loops on my hook. Now we need to go back. The first one is yarn over and pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2. You pull through 2 for the rest of the row. So you now did a row of Tunisian simple single crochet. So you see now these bars. That's where our stitches will go. In order to do the Tunisian purl stitch, you need to make sure that your yarn is in the front. The easiest way to do it is simply push it to the front with your hook. Now insert your hook through that bar from right to left. Let it go and hold it with your thumb right here. Yarn over and pull through. Push the yarn to the front, insert your hook through the stitch, hold your yarn, yarn over and pull through. Push your yarn to the front, insert your hook, hold the yarn, yarn over, pull through. Just so you know, if you don't hold the yarn with your finger here, in my case it's on my left hand, then I'm going to have a hard time going through here. Can you see it gets tight? So if you hold your yarn, you have an easier time pulling your yarn through. So it's simple to make it easier for yourself. At the very end, make sure that you go through 2 loops. Now yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, as well as the rest. So the going back part is exactly the same way as a Tunisian simple crochet. And now you can see the purl stitch right here, known as the Tunisian purl stitch. Let's do one more row. Push your yarn to the front, insert your hook, hold the yarn, yarn over, pull through. Now we need to work our way back. And there you have it, the Tunisian purl stitch. It is important to know that when you do Tunisian crochet, you typically have a Tunisian hook. In this case, I have a clover hook right here. It has an extension that I had removed because this is a smaller piece. But in case you have a larger piece, they have an extension that you can add. And furthermore, they have this little piece in the back to make sure you don't lose your stitches. You simply add it on, twist it, and your stitches can slide nicely on this extension. And it's being held by this little button to make sure it doesn't slide off. There is larger ones available also. In case you're interested to get this specific Tunisian hook, check out the link below or above in order to purchase it. I hope this video was helpful on how to do the Tunisian purl stitch. The Tunisian purl stitch actually allows you to prevent the curling that happens typically for a Tunisian simple crochet. You can see that my piece doesn't curl. So in order to prevent the curling, pick a different stitch than the Tunisian simple single crochet. I hope this video was helpful on how to do the Tunisian purl stitch. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!